Oh, but if you are
sister, we are who I feel if you know to your rent. Who are they to your rent? What was read down there?
I'm going to 2 years.
1 year. What's the sister and sister man baby die? See you my warrior. Oh, but over to a lot like Toronto.
Toronto.
Yablo.
Good evening.
What's your line? Yaman and Chia.
Toronto. And they have about 2.
Paconia man, Barbie.
Ah, now Mumu sister, no one can you strange one.
This can him.
Again,
Yenim, Obeslay, and I'm already tonight. Yeah, my baby sister, who we are. What you can tell me? History.
Mamma can't be in Tramo. Mumu sister, what on Dynamami and son who. So, Mumu sister, I catch on for the fan, some metal do. Now I'm in Tramo, what on Dynamami. No more bad be more make you talking bullshit. Make you don't know we. My cat no more. I really don't know we. You don't know we. It's really real. I really enjoy.
One na kikau. Ina wutiti. One na kik. Ko dem wana pa ko no mana basin.
Ah, ne dan wo mu hey. Ka be wu. Eh, to be come ya come with da. Say someone hwe someone hwe
catch your no good
we don't fear anything.
Still for killing you.
We are do fa. Me nka asem nkyere mo. Mu sister no what ase no. Ewom so de dan ma me se me ntram na me no do. Edubire bi ayare ebo mu sister no. Na mu jaa mu sister ni mu.
Yeah, jaa ni mu.
Tie me. Me na me kopa ebosia. Ade ba hwe mu sister no yare. Eye bibia. Edubire ayare no mu ye dene no. Na so sister no.
And I sit in white.
Me ntram.
I'm so one.
Yeah, illegal contract.
No
receipt. Illegal contract. No receipt.
Before when you say,
and you want to come our cheese come. I will be a dear born. Oh, you know, as I see grandma sat taught that I done one when train you. Then me to be sick and as a seven. And as a seven, I was sister and catch him some balancing. I'm in Traden. And I want to know several times. Why you for missing to Tom? Wouldn't me as Uncle Weffrey then? Do one year on per 1 year. Pack on Yama. If you say it, I never yell. Wouldn't spirit it. I'm not the spirit. That won't challenge your spirit. Won't challenge more wouldn't be a boy. A bow for say, wouldn't be a more. You do ye feel it through. Never help me cast him the actual neck. Actually, if you know, when you are doing free school, it just say some person of the moon contract. What sister would the name say? Maybe I'm a cool first. What is the name of the water? Yes, I'm a solo water. Open some word flat as a fast as what I want. We are being false. I was sneak it one as all. But children minds and my 10 minds. What is my sister? I mean, illegal contract. It is a say someone you more. Munko sister. That's all. Illegal contract. No one. One am I dancing here just a few more. Yes, sister, dear. My father. I am sick of Toronto. Un person be Toronto. Wouldn't me my father. Sister Neban. Madam, what is Miss Yaji put you and shout? Bisa sama nasi Maybe some say branch here, they conform me, say. My so much shout to be one woman. What it?
Toronto.
Hey, what do you have?
No, so yeah, no.
For one who take from.
Hey, Toronto.
Who said Efia?
Some they watch one beat at all comes so. In fact, now I have the beat at the
Say unme.
Yeah.
Konfo. Unme. I command.
You command
the gods of the wind to make you stay still.
Yeah. Opakla me. Unim ni pana na sia.
I command the lords of the wind from the east to the west, from the north to the south. As I grab the sand around your leg, make you stop still. Yeah, I take him. You don't know. You have commanded me. Now I am here. Now I am here. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. What I say you will do. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Immediately. Sit. As I command the winds of the Lord of our door. Stand up.
Stand up.
Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Now, hop on one leg. Hop on one leg.
One leg.
Hop on one leg. Hop on one leg. Hop on one leg. I said hop.
One leg.
Hop.
One leg.
Two legs.
One leg.
Two legs. Stop. Two legs. Put your leg down.
Nana piano.
Chop. Now, you said what? They should call my what? Dead sister? Before you leave this house? You sign an illegal contract? You are a fool!
Fool!
You are a fool!
Biggest fool!
Shut up! Don't you ever in your life step foot in this home again. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I command the gods of Fjordor to give you back your voice. Because as I speak, you must respond. Take your voice.
Hey! I'm a piano.
It's okay. Speak.
Na minya baby na ti we bu sister ni problem chire ba ye no e no be to fie no to fie no no se mentram na me do na me prapra ama no
Aha do
da bi satam na hafu na we aba afa so na hafu ntimi ye no ana me ba na me be do ha ntimi do ha wie ye no ana me sister no ko aduro so na me sa na busuani bia ba eti Nana, me are Maya dear born. Maya dear born, you hear. Master, I said, no, you have to, and I'm so called. A doing so say. Couldn't free.
Yes.
me ko ni wie ye no na me sa bo tama me nko na me bo ade bi gu na ni so nti me say woni ni nua no montam nti wo mo ba ne nchen a na o mpa wo ma sem wo pam wo ma firi ha nti me wi me hu so anya pam we mo no de I will take over ana me sa kele no ku no nti na me na me ku no na me ku wa na me ku
wa na ku
Ukulu no na aso untu free ha.
Se de metu. Metu.
O se dai.
Cross se me metu. Metu free ha. Ma hu sa tumi bi sin tumi de. Anti metu.
Anya tu nkwa na betu afifia hanom. Hey! Wo betu. Na be den. Be sa boda. Na me da se. Wo be sa aboda.
Anya kura mo.
Then ya ode yes sister no. Almost sister no. I want to tell you no. And I said cool no. Sa na de bayo. Sa na de bayo. Sa na de bayo. Sa na de bayo. Uko. I'm sorry for message ma. Moi. Omuta bochire no. Working so hard and diligently. And you've left properties here back home in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria. Make sure that you let at least one person in your family know about these properties, or else this can happen to you. Someone can take over your things and they will no longer belong to you. So make sure you are careful and you make sure you do your research and you know who you are leaving your properties for, or else you will lose everything you've worked so hard for. Now you. Come on down.